We from Mobey Forum, we identified that there is a number of NFC pilots live for quite a while now. And we were curious to be able to find out why none of these pilots were really moving into mass market adoption. So we sat down in our cross-industry organization in work groups, and we figured out what the reason was. And we found very quickly that it was all about the business model. So we looked at the business model and found that NFC is not only a value chain thing, a product or a feature, it's rather a standalone ecosystem that needs to be established and built by the stakeholders of such an ecosystem. And we looked at the role play that these stakeholders would have to fulfill. And we realized it's very, very complicated. But we sat down with all the stakeholders and we built these business cases, we built a matrix, and we're now able to introduce anyone to potential and most likely business models that enable NFC pilots to become mass market adoption. There are so many different stakeholders that build the ecosystem and different possibilities to actually locate a secure element that you need to do NFC payment. There are different stakeholders that need to build these ecosystems. What is absolutely important to our understanding is that there is a willingness for collaboration between, for example, banks and network operators or handset manufacturers. So collaboration is one ingredient to building a business model. The second is who is the biggest stakeholder in this ecosystem. In other words, who owns the secure element? The one who owns the secure element is the major stakeholder in that ecosystem. So these two questions need to be answered, but then you have to, of course, look at individual pilots and individual deployments, such as ISIS in the US or the six-pack in the Netherlands. There are bilateral models live, such as PE Mobile in France and in Spain, in Sitges, a very, very nice pilot.